Hey Team 101, in this video we will be analyzing and predicting the market for crude oil USD VTI for the week ahead from 27 till 31st July. So let's begin. We are currently on an 4-hourly chart for the crude oil. Here we can draw a support trend line for the crude oil, and we can see that this support trend line has been respected by the market. Let me draw that in zone so we do not caught up any fake breakouts. Some around here we can see that the market has been respecting this support trend line. Let me zoom in so it's more clear. Here we can see that the market has taken the support here also, and once again we can see that the market is currently testing the 50 MA or the 50 moving average, and we can see that the crude oil is heading towards the support. Moreover, we can also draw the symmetrical triangle. Let me draw that also. That would be some around like this. Let me draw that in zone so we do not caught up any fake breakouts. That would be some around like here. We can see that the market for the crude oil is playing within range, some around here, targeting towards the resistance. Then we can see a downwards move targeting towards the support of this symmetrical triangle, and then again testing towards the resistance. Here we have given our team 101 to our signal to go long, to go short, with our stop losses placed some around here, and we have some around accumulate more than 90% of our profit from the take profit. Let me remove my drawings. Here we can also see that the previous resistance has been turned into, or the previous resistance zone has turned into a support zone. Let me draw that also. Some around here. We can see this zone has acted as a resistance and then passed some around here, and here again. Now currently we can see that the market for the crude oil is currently testing it as in support. Now here is the trading idea. We will be looking for opportunities to go long either when the market opens, or we can wait for the crude oil to retest this support zone or this support trend line. Thus this would be an ideal place to go long, some around 40.72, with our stop losses just placed below the recent lows, which was some around here. Thus our stop losses would be placed some around 39.52 with our take profit of 43.11. This trade will give a next to reward of approx 2:1. However, this would be our final take profit. Our first take profit would be some around 42.32, which would be which will give an extra reward of 1:1.36, and our second take profit would be this resistance zone, which is some around 43.01. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing, and if you like the video, do like, share and comment below, and thanks for watching.